Good morning, Automic Supply. How can I help you?
Hello, this is Delta Ultimate Supply. I'd like to make some change to my order.
Sure. Can you give me the order number?
Yes, it's A1025.
Thank you. What would you like to change?
First, I'd like to change the product from earth filter to brick bath.
Alright. Do you have a specific model number?
Yes, BE45S9.
Got it? Anything else?
Yes, I want to increase the quantity from 50 to 100 units. Yes.
No problem. What would you like to change the delivery details?
Yes, please deliver to our Manchester workshop instead of London. Yes.
Okay, and the delivery dash
Can you move it from 20 March to 28 March?
That's fine. I have updated the order.
Please, thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.